So I found a very nice flush of oyster mushrooms. Good old elm oysters. Look at those beauties. But some of them are pretty dirty. It's going to take me a little bit to clean them up. I'm just going to come in and break them apart. And brush that stuff off. Give me just a few minutes. I'll get these cleaned up, laid out. It's going to take 10-15 minutes to clean them. I'm sure you don't want to watch that. So hang tight. We'll show you how to make some smoked oysters. Okay, we've got our elm oysters all cleaned up. Even had a little volunteer blue. That's one of the varieties that I grow. The recipe's pretty simple. We're just gonna a little bit of olive oil here and there. Plenty. And then I'm just using some Southwest seasoning. Get them in there real good. We're going to take that to the smoker. So let me change my camera and we'll be there. Got a little bit of mulberry wood on there. Doing nice. Gonna slide these off on the cool side. And as the smoke starts rolling, I'm gonna cook a little bit more. We'll come back to this, 15-20 minutes, check on them, see how they're doing. And hopefully by then I have the rest of my supper on. So, gotta make some poppers real quick. Be right back, folks. Get the rest of these little soldiers on here. Okay folks, so about the time that these poppers are done, these mushrooms should be pretty well cooked. We'll come back in a little bit here, see how they look. Look how they're already taking on that nice smoky color. Yep, I got a little flame out here. Move that guy. I'm gonna let these cook until all my poppers are done. That should give me plenty of time to get these thoroughly cooked. So that's pretty much going to wrap this up. I'll be out of light before these are done. Here's a good example. You can see where one was underneath another and didn't get no smoke, so we get nice white lines there. So anyway, just going to wrap this up. Hope you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. We got a whole lot more coming about foraging, cooking outdoors, and before long I'll be in my blacksmith shop. We'll start working on some basic tutorials. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. We all appreciate it.